Hello. In today's video, I am going to show you a demo and tutorial for the best free text to 3D object generator, Lumalabs, and how to bring the objects into IClone. I created 25 demo prompts, A through Y, and after this short preview, I will show you my workflow to create the Z, baked ZD, if it works. Lumalabs Genie creates more than just food, it just creates food really well, I think. I have eaten all but one of these items. How many have you eaten? Let me know which prompt looks the best in the comments below. Let's get started. A is for a plate of chocolate chip cookies. B is for bowl of chili. C is for chocolate milkshake. D is for donut. E is for enchiladas. F is for fajitas. G is for garlic bread. H is for hamburger. I is for ice cream cone. J is for jalapeno. K is for kolache. L is for lasagna. M is for manicotti. N is for nachos. O is for onion rings. P is for pepperoni and pizza. Q is for quesadillas. R is for red velvet cake. S is for steak. T is for tacos. U is for upside down cake. V is for veal parmesan. W is for waffles. X is for mixangos. I didn't have a Y food I ate, so I went with yellow cheese. Now, let's see if I can create some baked ziti. Now I will type in baked ziti with meat sauce and click Create. This step will take a few seconds. 4. Images are rendered, and you pick the best one to create a high-resolution model. I will select the image on the bottom left because I have a pan that looks just like it. Notice the sides are messed up, but we can fix that in an image editor. I will now click the Make High Res button. This takes a little while to create the high-res version of your model, so close the screen. Click on Creations, and you will see the job has now been scheduled. You will see a progress indicator once your job has started. I am now going to go to another very cool site, Ideogram.ai. Here I will type in baked ziti with meat sauce with the text Z is for baked ziti. I will now click the Generate button. I will now save the third image and name it Z is for baked ziti. Now I will go back to Lumalabs, and our high-res version is finished. Click on the model. There are presets for many types of software. I will select Unreal Engine. Make sure you select the quality level of High and click Download. This will take about 20 seconds, so I will pause the video. I will now download the zip file that contains our FBX model. Select your zip file in the folder you downloaded to and click Extract All. I will now open IClone and import the model. You don't have to do this part, but I grouped my props by letter to make them easy to move. I am going to fast forward the video while I make a copy of the table, the point light, and the image description for collection Z. By the way, I forgot to mention that some of the props I showed you were sitting on a plate. That was a prop I already owned. Some of the Lumalabs props came with their own plate, while others I thought would look better on a plate. To change my description image, I have to click on the Modify tab. You must make sure Make Unique is selected. Here I will browse for the image. Z is for baked CD. Now we are ready to import our model into IClone. I will now move the model into place and scale it down to 50%. Now I will apply the texture to the pan. The texture is in the folder that was extracted from the zip file. I am now going to fix the problem with the pan texture. Notice if I crank up self-illumination, the sides of the pan are messed up. To fix this, I will open the texture in paint.net. It looks like the sides are right here and right here. I am going to use the rectangle tool and turn the fill type to draw filled shape. Now I will draw a white rectangle over the two areas of the texture that are messed up. I will save this texture and then apply an IClone. This concludes this video. Let me know what you think of Lumalabs. I think it is very promising. Also, let me know what you think of Ideogram. I think Ideogram is very good at text. Thanks for watching.